What's up, YouTube? Okay, so here we go again. Got another video going on. This time I'm gonna be working on my dad's 1997 Chevrolet Tahoe. His wipers aren't working. I believe it is the circuit board, so I went ahead and ordered the circuit board because I turned it on and it seems to not be working properly. You could hear it. I'm trying to click over here. Hold on. Let me get in the car real quick. Close the door. So what happens is I go ahead and turn on the wipers. And I'm not sure if you guys can hear that humming. And that's all it does. I get a loud humming out of it. So that means the motor wants to work, but it's not making proper contact. So I went ahead and ordered a brand new circuit board for it, and I'm gonna install it. It just came in right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in right now. So let me put you on hold real quick, and I'll get to the front of the vehicle. Hold on. Okay, so here we are. This is gonna be where that circuit board's gonna be at. We're gonna have to take off this screw, that screw right here in the bottom, and this screw right here. It's 3 simple screws. Prior to this, if I was to hit it right here, this spot right here in the center, it would engage and the wipers would click on. I can't do that no more because it just burned out completely now. So went ahead and ordered the new one. New one's right here. Let me show you the description in case you're looking for it. Okay, so came in. I already opened it up just to make sure it was the right one. I didn't want to start this video without having the right stuff. Came with new screws, new circuit board. That's what this circuit board looks like. Put it right here. And lucky for me, it came with the new cover because the old cover broke from hitting it so much. Okay, let me get started on this. Okay, let's see. We're gonna take off this screw right here. I'm gonna take off this one right here. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard holding it with one hand. Please bear with me right now. I'm fighting a cold, so my voice is a little bit off. And just in case you guys are wondering where this is at, it's on the driver's side firewall. Let me take off this bottom one. Oh, I recommend you guys leave that bottom screw on there because the covers, let me show you real quick. They have a little hook right here, so they're open, so you can just slide it on and let it sit there at the bottom, and then just go ahead and put the rest of them on. All you do is pull this out, and then this thing just pops out. So I'm gonna need both hands, so I'm gonna put you guys on hold again. Okay, so all I did was this piece right here. It just goes directly in here. It just pops out. You might have to use a little bit of force. Grab it kind of like so, and then just go ahead and pull out. Okay, grab a new one, which is right here. Sorry, I'm gonna have to use both hands again, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use both of them. So just so you know, there is a little notch on the center one, so line it up with the notch on this one right here. There's a notch right here, the center one. So just line that up. Simple. See if I can do this with one hand. If I can't do this with one hand, I'm gonna have to pause this video real quick and get it on there. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you guys on hold. Okay guys, so I got it on there, new one. line it up, set it in place. It only goes on one way, so you can't really mess this up. Like I said, I'm trying to do this single-handed, so just bear with me. It's not easy doing things with one hand. I need to really invest in a gimbal or tripod or something to help me stabilize these videos. Cover. Set it in place. Get the screw. Put the screw on there. Sorry. And tighten it real quick. Sorry about that. Sorry, I know for some reason my video is a little jumpy right now. I'm not sure what's going on with my phone. Okay. Let me get the other screw because I kind of dropped it. Okay, so here we go. Screw that one on all the way. Screw that one down. Now I'm not using a lot of torque because you don't want to break the plastic. There we have it. Now let's go test it out. Okay, so here we are. Let's test it out. And there you go. Wipers are working again. That's all it was. So I guess Stevie does it again. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Thank you to those who've already subscribed. Like my video. I thank you for everyone who's enjoying my videos, and I hope to make more. And thank you so much. Let's see how far I can take this YouTube thing. Yeah, thank you so much. For those of you who commented, you guys have been great. I've been trying to comment back as much as I can. Hopefully, I keep this up, and hopefully, I mean, I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, thank you guys.